Creating visualizations in Tableau is pretty easy, so let me show you how to do it in just 60 seconds. I'm using Tableau Public, the free desktop version of Tableau. So I already have my data loaded into Tableau, but if you need help connecting to your data, watch the video linked in the description. So I want to see a line graph of sales over time, meaning that my sales field is going to be on my y-axis and my order date field is going to be on my x-axis. And when you think of a spreadsheet, your rows that are labeled numerically run along the y-axis, and your columns that are labeled alphabetically run along the x-axis. So my sales field is going to go in this rows section, and my order date field is going to go in this columns section. And automatically, Tableau grouped my date field by year, which is not very helpful because there's only 1 year in my data set. So since my data is only recorded throughout 1 year and 1 month, I need this date field to be grouped by day. So I'm going to come back up to my date field and I'll click this drop down and select day. And I want the full date to be shown on the x-axis, not just numbers. So again, I'm going to come back up to my date field, click the drop down, and make sure that the day format is selected. Now I want to see how my profit compares to my sales. So I want the profit field to be included in this chart along the y-axis. So I'll just click and drag this field over to the rows section. But that gives me 2 different line graphs, which I don't want. I want them to be on the same graph. So I'll just click this drop down next to profit and click on dual axis. And there we go. Now I can see how both my sales and my profit changed over time.